Welcome back. We are now going to complete the CSS background code, and in this video I'm going to cover two things: background attachment and shorthand code. Alright, let's look at the background attachment. It determines whether or not the background image scrolls with the outer container. Okay, for example, if you look at this code here within the body tag, the background attachment property specifies whether a background image should be fixed or scroll with the containing block. Okay, here's what the code looks like. P style is equal to height 100 pixels semicolon width double colon 150 pixels. You defining the dimensions of the image, okay, in background image. Okay, 150 pixels semicolon, and then you will need to say overflow scroll background image. Okay, and the URL. Okay, again I have another image here that I have from a website, an online image. I'm just going to control C the image URL, and where's my code? Okay, and open the bracket, just write URL and then open the bracket, control V. Okay, and close the bracket, semicolon background attachment double colon fixed semicolon. Okay, so whenever you're defining a property and value, there is a double colon in the middle, and when you finish the expression there is a semicolon. Okay, inverted commas closed, bracket closed for the paragraph tag. This background image is fixed. Okay, again self-explanatory text. It doesn't scroll with its outer container. This example uses the CSS overflow property to force the box to scroll when there is too much text to fit in the box. Okay, so you have created a box with dimensions 100 and 150, and what you're going to do is within the box you're going to write this text out, and you're going to have a background image of this link address. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save the file, save as. Alright, let's run it. Okay, you have a scrolling text here. Okay, what I'm missing here is I'm missing the CSS overflow property, but I needed the background image is fixed. So what happens is, if the image is a little bit bigger, I think the image has an issue fitting into this box. You can use other image examples that are available online. And all you need to do is just what you would do is, no matter how much you scroll down or scroll up, the image is going to remain fixed. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go back. I'm going to scroll back. Okay, let me try to reduce this. Delete this. Let me show you how shorthand works. All you need to do is, let me make sure I'm trying to be a little bit more patient with this. Yes, just write repeat fixed. Okay, and semicolon, inverted commas closed, bracket closed, and then you need to write this text, this paragraph. This is more self-descriptive of what I've just done with you. This paragraph tag has been styled using the background property, which is a shorthand for setting multiple properties for an HTML element. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save it and refresh. So this is like doing everything all in one place. What I'm trying to do here is I just applied this property here, repeat fixed, which means that the background showing here, I'm having browser issues here. The browser is not displaying, it refuses to display the image that I selected here. But nevertheless, you can try it using your own browser. Maybe you'll have better results. So the background is supposed to be here behind the text, and it's supposed to be fixed, and it is supposed to be contained within this container. Okay, so no matter how much you scroll up and down, the background should remain fixed. So there are many applications of this. You can have lines of text but very little space on the screen where you want to add the text. Many different applications, and you can be more creative as well, better than me. Alright, then we just completed the background property in CSS applied to any element. In these videos, I have applied the background property only to the paragraph tag, the paragraph element. Okay, and to sum it up, we did a background color in which the background color is applied to the background of the text, line of text. Then we did CSS background image, where the background image is applied behind any element that you applied on. In our case, we applied it behind the paragraph. Then we did a background repeat in which the background is repeated or tiled across the entire page. And then we did a background position in which you set a specific location of the background in the screen. Last but not the least, we did the background attachment in which the background is fixed in the container. And then to sum it up, we did a shorthand code in which we supplied different properties in one line, and just to make the code more efficient. Alright then guys, this sums up my background code. Up next is CSS border. CSS border will help you define the border around the text or any element that you want, table, text, any kind of heading, anything. We'll experiment with paragraph style, paragraph element of the HTML page, and I'm going to show you many shorthand style CSS styling code, and I'm going to show you how interesting it gets, and it looks very beautiful on the page or the screen. Alright then, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.